For 35 years, Damvent has specialized in developing energy-efficient solutions for fresh air. Max.e3 is a hybrid air handling unit that seamlessly combines the highest hygienic standards with exceptional energy efficiency. Our innovative design and engineering ensure that each unit meets the rigorous cleanliness requirements set by the European Union and the United Kingdom and operates with unparalleled energy efficiency. At Damvent, hygiene and energy efficiency are not mutually exclusive but integral to our product philosophy. Max.e3 utilizes advanced materials and cutting-edge technology to prevent microbial growth and facilitate easy cleaning and maintenance, ensuring a continuous supply of clean, fresh air. These units have state-of-the-art filtration systems that capture the smallest contaminants, safeguarding indoor air quality in the most sensitive environments. Max.e3 is engineered for optimal energy performance. We integrate high-efficiency fans, 3-stage heat, cool, humidity recovery technology, and an intelligent control system to minimize energy consumption while maximizing output. This dual focus on hygiene and energy efficiency translates to lower operational costs and a reduced environmental footprint, making our units a smart, sustainable choice for any hospital and healthcare facility. With Damvent, you can trust that you are investing in technology that not only upholds the highest hygienic standards, but also delivers superior energy efficiency. Our commitment to these core values ensures that our products contribute to a healthier indoor environment and a more sustainable future. For more information, follow us on www.damvent.com.